listen, new video, man. New video. As you can see, we're gonna be going back in time again. I'm gonna be looking at some of my 2019 drawings and picking 3 out to redraw. So man, we gotta get straight to it. We gotta get right to it. Now the first one is this wave dude. Now I drew this in 2019. It was a hairstyle barbershop video, so we gotta start the sketch for the redraw. You can see so far what we got. So far what we got for the 2021 version. But in the original drawing, you know, I just drew his head and his neck. I didn't even have enough respect to draw a little bit of his torso. So this time around, I didn't want to just do a floating head. You know, that was disrespectful. So I added a body to it.
With my eyes closed, it's too easy. Too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. Too easy. It's too easy. I've been there.
Now, I don't normally add change too much to my characters because they're like weird to draw. I don't know how to explain it, but I don't like drawing them that much, so I normally stay away from them. But I got a rare appearance right here. You can see in the inking. You know, I thought it'd be a nice addition to his outfit, so I had to put it on him. And I'm gonna draw probably more of them in the future, so I thought it was good practice. With this coloring technique, you know, I'm not gonna lie, I've been practicing it a lot. I'll include the link in the description too for where I found the tutorial, because it helped me out a lot and a lot of people asked me about it, so I'll include the link in the description. But listen, I really like how he came out, because I want my characters, like going forward, I want them to be like semi-realistic, like from like the skin tone here, maybe a little bit clothing, semi-realistic, but I still want like a cartoony type of feel to them, you know, like a goofy type of feel to them. So I thought like this character right here, he was like a good combination of both those elements, like, you know, a little bit semi-realistic but also goofy at the same time. So I really liked it. He looks a little bit like Jordan Clarkson though. You know, when I was coloring him up, I was thinking that in the back of my head. I wasn't intending for that, but he looks a little bit like Jordan Clarkson. But anyway, you can see the comparison with the 2019 and the 2021. Bro, I honestly forgot to put the tattoos on his neck. I realized that after I was completely done that I forgot to put the tattoos on his neck, but oh well, man. Next up, this is from when you guys, I was getting spammed with comments to draw a bowl cut. This is back in 2019, so I got my bowl cut dude right here. We gotta redraw him. Let's get to the sketch. You can see though, man, the bowl cut is still intact 2 years later. Now that was from 2019. Yeah, 2 years later, it's still intact. But this is another one, same thing with the first. I honestly think they were both in the same video, this bowl cut dude and the wave dude that I redrew previously, but I drew them as floating heads. I can't do that, so I had to give this dude a body. got the inking up right here. You can see what my guy's looking like so far. You know, he looking like a 2021 version of his old self. But 2019, I was putting out a lot of drawings. I was thinking that when I was looking through the sketchbooks from back then. There's a lot of drawings packed into that sketchbook, and a couple of sketchbooks I had from that year. So I got a lot. There's a lot I want to redraw, man. There's a lot I want to redraw. Most important part right here is here. I can't mess this part up. You know, make sure I was real careful at that part. Couldn't mess that up. But this sketchbook that I'm drawing in right here in front of you, I think I remember I said that I wanted to finish it by the end of July, like one of the older videos. Bro, I'm not even, it's almost September. I'm not even 75% of the way through with it. It's still a whole bunch of blank pages left, so I'm gonna have to get into it. I'm gonna start drawing some more characters, start filling up this sketchbook. I got to. But these are the finishing touches right here. You can see the little comparison, a little side-by-side comparison with the 2019 version of the bold cut dude and the 2021 version. So we gotta move on to the next one. Next up, we got this little tattoo from 2019 that I did on my guy right here. I gotta redraw this. I gotta redraw this tattoo, this arm sleeve he has, so let's get into it. Listen up, man, I've been writing out some of my ideas, and I was thinking of buying a sketchbook specifically for tattoos. Like specifically, like similar to this, I would draw like, you know, the arm, leg, or whatever I'm putting a tattoo on, and just like have a whole sketchbook where I'm just drawing like tattoos on my characters. I didn't know, I wanted to see what y'all thought about that. Let me know what you think about that, because I thought that would probably be fun to do, because I do have a lot of fun drawing the tattoos on my characters. And it would be, you know, it would be good practice, because I am trying to get better at it. So having a full sketchbook just dedicated to that, you know, let me know your thoughts on that. But anyway, these are the last touches. You can see the side-by-side comparison here. I honestly wasn't too happy with the newer version. I might have liked the old one better. But anyway, man, thank you guys for watching this video. It means a lot. I'm dropping some more videos. But when the fall comes, listen, I got some videos to drop, so we gotta go crazy. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm out.